Good morning, first graders, and welcome to April Number Corner. Let's jump right in with calendar. Now, we have some days to talk about quick since we had a weekend. On Saturday, we saw another letter. We saw the letter O. The letter O is a lot like a circle, and I know if a circle can get split into 4 equal parts, the letter O also can. On the 26th, we saw a pentagon. It had 5 sides and 5 vertices. And I know a pentagon has symmetry. It can get divided in half or into 2 equal parts. Yesterday was the 27th, and I saw a trapezoid. It had the 4 sides, 4 vertices. It had a longer bottom and a shorter top. This trapezoid did not have symmetry. No matter which way I try to divide it or fold it, it would not line up. Let's take a look at today's marker now. Today is April 28th, 2020, and I see this marker here. I see a rectangle. I can tell it's a rectangle because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2 of the sides are longer than the other ones, though. But I'm noticing that this rectangle looks a little different because it looks like it's on a slant. Let's dive in and take a closer look at this shape to decide if it has symmetry. Right now, I've taken that rectangle piece and I've rotated it so it looks like a traditional rectangle that you and I have seen before. Now, even though I've rotated this card, it's still a rectangle. And so I'm able to use that to decide, is this shape symmetrical? I could have rotated it back and drawn my lines at a slant, but that would have been a little more challenging. So since I know this is a rectangle, I'm making sure I'm positioning it in a way that it's easier for me to divide. So I'm going to start by dividing in half. Is it symmetrical? Yep, both of those sides line up. Now I'm going to take another line and see if I can divide it in half again. Oh, I got to grab my line. There we go. Are those pieces all looking the same? You're right, they do. Rectangles have symmetry. They can be divided in fours. And it doesn't matter if they're laying flat like this or if they're tipped at an angle. Those rectangles have symmetry. Let's go add it in to our observation form. There we go. Now, I'm changing the color of rectangle because it is a quadrilateral. It has those 4 sides and 4 vertices. So I'm going to change it to blue again. It was able to divide into 4s. So yes, it does have symmetry. If our shape was able to divide into 4s today, I wonder how many pieces it will get divided into tomorrow. I'll have to see if your prediction comes true, first graders. All right, my friends, we are on to days of school. Today it is the 139th day of school. Let's count it up. Are you ready? 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. When we take a closer look at the number 139, what does the 9 mean? Yes, it means we had 9 ones or 9 X's. What does the 1 mean? We have one group of 100. What does the 3 mean? We have 3 tens or 30. Say the equation with me. 100 plus 30 plus 9 equals 139. Very nice, first graders. Well, friends, we have collected all our popsicle sticks for the month. In week 1, we collected 8. During week 2, we had collected 13 popsicle sticks. And over the course of week 3, we collected 27. Tomorrow, we're going to figure out how many popsicle sticks we've collected all together, but I need your help. I need you to make an estimate right now. And I'd like you to share that estimate with me through Seesaw. Now, this again is going to be an optional activity, but if you get some extra time, I really would appreciate if you send me your estimate through Seesaw. So again, I don't want you to count all these popsicle sticks on the screen. I want you to take a look right now and think to yourselves about how many do I think there are all together. You know it's going to be bigger than 27 because that's how many we ended last week with. Your job is just to send me your estimate through the Seesaw activity. It's going to be called Popsicle Stick Estimates. And that, first graders, is our ending job today for Number Corner. I will see you tomorrow. Your big job is going to be to complete some activities on Dreambox today. Have a great rest of your day, first graders.